I remember learning that a lot of the time when you're oily, your skin is dehydrated. And I was like, what? They're like, the surface of your skin does not produce water, so whenever we don't have that hydration on the surface of your skin just overcompensates with oil.
And can you guys tell me which direction I should blend? Up or down?
Up.
Down.
Oh.
Does anyone know why? We have these little baby hairs on our face that grow downwards. You even bring it down the neck and you instantly see a magician. It gives a perfect blend every single time. It's so soft. Yeah, feel free to use this in whatever way suits you. You can also use it as a highlighter. You can mix it into skincare. You can mix it into cream makeup products. It's limitless. So brush priming is basically just working the product into the bristles of your brush so that you have more control over the application. This will give you the most seamless blend of your whole life. And just make sure it's evenly distributed. Most of you are gonna experience the first few pumps of slip tint might be mostly oil, but once you get past the first few pumps, it should be more consistent. Mix Glowy Super Gel and Slip Tint Tinted Moisturizer together. It's gonna shear out the coverage of Slip Tint Tinted Moisturizer just slightly and also boost the glow. Skin is skinning over here. You guys look amazing. One dot on the inner corner and then one towards the outer corner. What's so great about this is that it has a small end and a large end, so you can really toggle back and forth depending on what area of the face you're applying. Anywhere where I want to see the most coverage, I tap. And then at the edges, in order to blend it seamlessly, I start sweeping. It's also proven to reduce pore size, to reduce the appearance of fine lines, to reduce the appearance of post-blemish marks, hyperpigmentation, and it's just a beautiful formula for all skin types, whether you're oily, whether you're dry, whether you're acne prone, or you have perfect baby angel skin. Because our products have like a similar kind of thread in them, they all work well together no matter the order.
We'll put air set first after moisturizer and set it from the inside out. So it's kind of like a sandwich where it can set either way, just as long as it's there to be able to grip the emolliency in the foundation.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to swirl the fluffy brush around in the cap. Just do like 3 taps and really prime that brush, get the powder worked into the bristles. Any excess concealer on my brush, I just swept it over the lids to even out and brighten. I'm gonna add some powder there as well. It's so stunning. Those who know it, love it, but a lot of people don't know about it. Apply this anywhere you're craving more glow. What's so beautiful about this formula is that it has lifting micro pearl. That's why we call it Glow Sculpt, because it actively lifts the shape of your face by bouncing light off. And this is the perfect shade for summer. It just has a subtle, warm undertone to it. We also have Pink Glow, which is a cooler kind of pink version of this. We're gonna start dusting across the cheeks. The trick here is not to go too low, otherwise you run the risk of dragging the face down. We're trying to resist gravity, which means we want to place it higher in order to put the bone structure just a little bit further up. New to cream bronzer or new to any product, a really good way to kind of ease into it is to prime your brush. So swirl it around and then tap it on the back of your hand to work it evenly into the bristles. Because we're going for that kind of sun-kissed, summery look, we're gonna apply blush more towards the center of the face. Think of more horizontal rather than vertical and really kind of towards the nose. So we're gonna start, you can think like it should be in line with your pupil, just on your cheek, okay? So start at your pupil, go a bit down to that really gorgeous meaty part of your cheek and start working the pigment in there. Then we are going to blend the edges to make sure it's all seamless. This just gives like the most gorgeous wet looking lips and it's so comfortable. I even wear our clear shade at night sometimes because it's so cushiony and just cocoons my lips. I usually go in for a few swipes. I would say 3 to 5. personally. We have 6 shades in Glossy Bounce available.
So if you think about it this way, if you put Glowy Super Gel under your foundation, it's gonna glow like a nightlight.
But thank you guys so much. It was so fun. Please